Alright guys, PicasSolez here with another mystery box. Again, this one's going to be from Solesteals. Solesteals is a consignment shop in California where membership monthly is going to be $20 or $150 for the yearly plan, where you can buy these things every Sunday. They have drops, they have steals, hence the term Solesteals. And let's look at the box. This time we went big, guys. We went up to 795 that is dollars, USD currency. And I'm kind of nervous because last box was pretty much a dud, man. I wasn't too happy about it, to be honest. I got better results from a cheaper package, which is why I'm kind of confused, because usually you get at least what it's worth, but I was barely scraping even in that box. So hopefully they make it up to us for this one. Let's get up to opening it. Preview of the box. There's a lot of bubble wrap, like an insane amounts of bubble wrap. Interesting, very interesting so far of this preview. I'm gonna pull out what I see here, which is two items. I'll put one back. Right here, we got the Akira Yamagata tee. In, what color is this? Dusty blue. A very nice color. I don't know if it'll focus. If not, I'll put a picture up right here showing the tee. This is the size medium. Very interesting. This is from fall winter 17. So this is a 2-year-old tee, basically. So pretty interesting. Okay, leave that right here. On to this next big thing that you guys kind of saw. This right here is a warm-up crew neck Supreme, season 19. Right here, it just has the Supreme logo. Kind of looks like a boxing it's like a boxing reference, I think it is. It looks like a, what's that boxing brand? You know what I mean. Anyway, alright, let's move on to the next one. I don't really know anything about that last item. Now this one is very interesting because I've always seen it, but I've never I've seen pictures, but I've never seen it in person or seen anyone else with it in person. Maybe I'm just not looking right enough. But we got the hand axe from Supreme. And to be honest, this is a pretty dense, this is really heavy. And yeah, if you can't see it, this is a great decoration piece unless you know how to chop down trees or you like banana farm or something. This is great for that, I feel like. You know? Very nice hand axe. I really don't have any experience with hand axes, but I think that's a pretty quality hand axe. We have this Nike shoe box that says Nike Elements 87. Let's see, what colorway? Oh, the light bone white colorway in a size 10.5 men's. Alrighty. Wow, here is the shoe, guys. That's a big time shoe. I remember when these came out. Everybody wanted these. Dead stock, clearly. Bottoms are clean. No type of wear, factory laces. The only problem I have with this shoe is I'm not really into socks that much to really flex with this transparent toe box right here. So, and they don't fit me, so I'm gonna have to sell these. So if anyone wants them, just let me know. Might put them on the store. Alright, let's continue to the next item. We got a couple more shirts in here, it looks like. And we're gonna be done. So right now, we have this large Supreme shirt. Doesn't come in a box, but I'm pretty sure all of you know this tee. I've seen it a couple times. I don't really know the name of it. There's no tag either, so I can't really tell you. But it's the one from last season, I believe, season 18. If you're still pissed, throw dog shit on their windows or something. Thanks again, Supreme. I don't really like the shirt that much, to be honest. It's just writing on the shirt. There's nothing that really. I always feel like sometimes Supreme go too little. Like they go too little with their stuff on the shirt, like their graphics. I feel like maybe if it was a bigger graphic, like slightly bigger, it would make the shirt a lot better. In my opinion, I don't know how everyone else feels about that, but let me know how you feel about that statement. And next up, we got the with your head tee in burnt orange. Right here, there you go. You cannot see it again, guys. I'll put a picture up right there just to remind you or to show you if you don't know what I'm talking about. This shirt retailed $34, fall winter 17, in a size large. Very interesting shirt. Very interesting shirt. Okay, now these next ones are luckily in the packaging, so it's easier to have. Let's see. I do not even.
So I am confusion.
Is this? I think this is a Yeezy, like Yeezy shirt. Hold up, I kind of don't wanna. It's a long sleeve. I believe this is a Yeezy. I don't know what this is. Tell me if I'm wrong. But if you can't see what that is, it says YZ Season 6. I think that is easy. I'm just gonna open it because there's no other way for me to find out. And I believe so. I think it's just a regular tee. This is Season 6 large on the collar. And that's it. I don't even know. I really have nothing to say about this. I really don't know. If it's easy, I'm sure it could sell for a decent amount, but I don't know who would want just a regular tee of, I don't even know if this is like a greenish gray. Let's just move on to the next. Now we got the liquid tee. This is a well sought after tee from Supreme. Liquid tee in burgundy. That's a good color. It says Supreme in like silver metallic like wording. It looks like liquid metallic, and it just says Supreme on it. Came out fall winter 18 in a large. And guys, that concludes our box today. So first impressions, I think we're doing, I'm not too sure, to be honest. I think we're doing pretty good. Or at least better than the last box. 100% better than the last box from what I can tell right now. So now guys, we're gonna calculate value of it, and then we'll put it right here to let you guys know the value. And then we could yay or nay the box. All right guys, so looking at the markets for all these items here, we're estimated to have the value of the box be like $890 to $900 plus. So all in all, the box is a yay. So far, the other box from the get-go, I already knew we were gonna struggle for that, and that box is gonna be. But this box, I don't have a thumbs up pillow, so I'm just gonna go A. Alright guys, so to review what we got today, we got the liquid tee, the Yeezy Season 6 tee, the Supreme with your head, the dog shit tee, the SOG Axe, the Akira Yamagata tee from Season 17, and the warm-up crew neck, and last but not least, the React Elements, the money item of the box so far. Those things are fire. If you like what you see, guys, if you want to see more boxes, or if you want to see more expensive boxes, or the same, whatever you want to see, let me know. Like and subscribe the video if you want to see more. And giveaways coming up soon. Once we reach a certain amount of followers, we'll follow up that in the next videos. But make sure to like and subscribe now. And thank you guys. PicasSolez out.